Everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So in the earlier video, y'all saw me making the ground turkey burger wontons. So now I'm making wonton soup. So I have a box that needs to be used of vegetable broth, because I can use beef broth. I mean, I have chicken broth, but my son and them are using it. So I have some over here warming up already. I just add a little bit extra because it's just a liquid and it will, evaporate. So, I'm also going to add some other things to this. This says vegetable broth, water and concentrate, juices of carrot, celery, onion, cabbage, and it has salt, cane, sugar, carrot juice, yeast extract, tomato paste, natural flaming, potato flour, and dehydrated carrots. So yes, I do have my own chicken broth, but I'm saving that for something else. So I've tested tomatoes to see if it inflames my fibromyalgia or anything else that I have. I really haven't noticed a difference. So I think maybe as long as I eat that just maybe once a week, I mean, I hurt. It doesn't matter if I take medicine, don't take my medicine, I hurt. So I'm just going to go ahead and go on with life. I am going to add some other things. I'm going to add some dehydrated leeks that I have. Probably about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons, and some mushroom powder that I made from the shitake mushrooms. And I'll put maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon in it, because this is not a big pot. There is my little pot that I cooked my wontons in. Bring this back up to a boil. And then we'll put the wontons in. Whoops. And there you go. Now 2 of these I try to do with cream cheese. So that's one of them. So because crab rangoon, those have cream cheese in it, and they fry those, which I've done before. So I'll link that video with this one. So I think I am going to leave the cream cheese out of that because it was melting. And maybe I'll just add it to the soup, but not into. So, alright. There we go, up on the other one. So now I'm going to add the wontons. Trying not to have anything fall in the floor. Alright, so now it's come back to a boil. I'm going to put it back on medium. Well, these kind of stick together, so I'm just going to stick it all in there. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Alright, hold on. I'm going to bring it back up. Let this just all come together. And there you go, homemade wonton soup. And I added mushrooms in mine. You could add all kinds of stuff. Wonton soup, they have the ends of green onions, bunching green onions there. You can add that. I have a red onion, but I've used that for something else. Now we have some more left. I'm just not going to put it in here. But you could put chives, parsley. You can still add all kinds of other stuff. But since my meat has already been seasoned, I have Italian turkey meatballs and chili turkey meatballs in here. I think I'll be good. And see, there it comes to a boil. And then I'll just turn that back down so that all can heat back up. So I was like, alright, since I made the wontons, I want to make the soup too to go along with it. So here is the cream cheese ones. So here's the cream cheese. And plus, you know, the cheese melted. Actually, it's not bad. If anything, I would like to fry them again with the cream cheese in the middle. But here's the cream cheese. There we go. Ah, it's gonna fall. It's not bad. It's better fried. So, and you can do the same thing with the cream cheese. You can add different things to it if you get plain cream cheese. So, you know, we use this brand, and there's also So Fruity, they have a brand, but Kroger came out with their own brand, and this is what we use. So it's dairy free because Anastasia has a dairy allergy. I'll try to put that in the iCards also about the dairy. But I was like, we're going to make this wonton soup. And I said, we've got broth downstairs that needs to be used up. So I went to go get chicken broth, and I saw the vegetable broth. Let me use that. Let's see what the date is on it. Because, you know, my son and daughter-in-law are all about these expiration dates or use by dates. And if you can't use it by then it's not good. Recommended use by July 3rd, 2022. Okay. July, August, September, October. 23 months. The only thing about the use by date is because they say the flavoring goes down. But if it's not open, that flavor should be still there. So, don't take my word. Go check it out for yourself. That's what I've been told. And that's what I found out for myself. Oh, I have not used this knife. I don't know. Anyway, it's going to go over here in the sink. So, alrighty. So, we got soup. A wonton soup. I just wanted to heat it back up. For a few minutes. Have my bowl. Some good stuff on the spoon. And here we go. Now here's a trick. You got to pour something you don't want it to splatter everywhere. Take your slotted spoon. Pour it through the bowl, and as it goes down, just voila. Let it all come together in there. Oh, doesn't it look so good? I'm not trying to tease y'all. I'm just trying to show y'all how good it is. Alrighty. Here's a wonton. A couple of them did fall apart, so, but you know, that's how it goes. And I am not trying to burn my mouth. Right. The noodle is good. Like I said, I ain't gonna burn my mouth. I just did. And some all up. Yeah. Right there. My spoon just went in my bowl. Oh my goodness, that's so good. So from now on, when they order Chinese, I can make my own. Because what was left over, I put in the freezer. The meatballs and sausage in the freezer. So now I can just take a little bit out at a time, make some wontons, and have some wonton soup. Oh, there you go. I will leave the recipe down below. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, come back for more videos. Check out the links below. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you click on that link and you go to your Amazon, you don't have to buy what's on that link. It just links to where I make something a little bit. So, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.